Baku, where Silk Road secrets meet a skyline of flames. And you're still stuck at the back of a group, straining to hear. Group tours that rush you through the old city in minutes, then hurry you past the Maiden Tower before its centuries of mystery even sink in. Uvamai's Baku self-guided audio tour puts the city's hidden stories directly in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to your inbox? Press play and explore at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Stand beneath the mysterious Maiden Tower and wander the palace of the Shirvanshahs. Trace centuries of craft at the Azerbaijan National Carpet Museum and literary history at the Nizami Museum. Walk the seaside promenade of Baku Boulevard, climb to Highland Park for panoramic views, and pause in quiet reflection at Martyrs' Lane. 13 stops. One unforgettable walk through the soul of the Silk Road. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Baku, not just photograph it. Baku is calling. Get your access link for just $6 and explore the ancient Silk Road on your own terms. Visit uvamai.com to get started.